Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to save replies in order to send to your customer or send to your user on Instagram. So if you want to save replies for users, you can save it by using this feature of Instagram. First, you need to click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option, you need to select the creator option, and here you will find a option of save replies. Click on it, and if you want to save a new reply, click on the plus icon, and here you need to enter the short key which you want in your save reply. Like if I want a welcome message to my customer, I will save W and I will type any message, welcome to our page. Okay, so this is our reply which is set with short key W, and once I select this, now if I type W on that particular page or message, it will shows our reply. Like if I type W here, you can see that our welcome message has been saved and it will shown welcome to our page, and I will send easily. So this is the way to save reply into a short key on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.